Hey everyone, I'm Jamie with The Good Food Chef, and I just want to take this time before we get started to thank you so much for being here with me. It does mean a lot to me, and I do hope that you get something out of my videos, whether it's a recipe or a simple cooking technique. It does mean a lot, so thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate it. With the pandemic in full force and lockdowns in effect, it's really hard for us to keep a nice trim waistline. So it's important for us to try to work on our diets and try to try new different things and see where it goes. What I'm going to do for you today is a simple vegetable fritter with a miso chicken. It's going to be great. The chicken I'm getting is from Fraser Valley Specialty Poultry located in the Lower Mainland. I highly recommend that you check them out. They have a great online store with tons of products. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you hadn't already done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button, share the video, and of course turn on notifications because I make videos weekly to help you. I'm excited, so let's get this.